Dyson has always been the top choice for cordless vacuum cleaner for years. When they released the Dyson V15 Detect, the gap between Dyson and their competitors becomes wider than ever. I've tested some other cordless vacuums, but they never can match the same quality and features as found on Dyson products. In this review, we are checking out their latest V15 vacuum. Out of the box, the Dyson V15 comes with the vacuum body, a wall dock, a wand clip, a charger, an extension wand, and a variety of cleaner heads. Specifically, we have two floor cleaning heads, a combination tool, a crevice tool, a hair screw tool, a soft dusting brush, and a stubborn dirt brush. The Dyson V15's vacuum body is almost the same as the Dyson V11. I can't spot any difference apart from the color in the cyclone area. The unchanged design is really great because they use the same filter, click-in battery, charger, and dust bin. That means though replacement accessories are readily available. Apart from the high-torque cleaner head, the Dyson V15 is equipped with a laser slim fluffy cleaner head. This is the first time Dyson has integrated a light into a cleaner head. I've seen LED lights on many other vacuums, but none of them has laser light like this. On the side of the cleaner head, there is a green laser diode positioned at a 1.5 degree angle and 7.3 mm off the ground. I compared this laser with LED light on the Tineco vacuum and saw a huge difference. The laser light provides great contrast to reveal hidden dust on your floor. This Class 1 laser product is safe under all conditions for pets and humans, but you still shouldn't look directly into the beam. You can also turn it off with the switch on the head if you don't want to use it. Notice that the soft roller brush only works on hard floor. Besides, the laser light reveals dust better on dark floors. If you turn on the laser in a bright room, you probably can't see anything. Therefore, I'm still using the high-torque cleaner head more often. Its performance on rugs and carpets is truly amazing, and I don't have to switch the head when cleaning hard floor. The head is also improved to prevent tangling. It is equipped with 56 polycarbonate teeth, which are called anti-tangling comb. The comb will automatically clear hair on the brush bar and bristles continuously during cleaning. That's a great all-purpose cleaner head. It has thus some disadvantages, like the bulkier design, no light, and a little noisier operation. Another new feature of the Dyson V15 is the acoustic piezo sensor, which sizes and counts particles 15,000 times a second. The number of particles in different sizes will then be displayed on the LCD screen at the end of the main body. The particle sizes are divided into 4 groups, which are 10 microns, 60 microns, 180 microns, and 500 microns. You can go to settings in the LCD screen to turn on or off the counter or adjust the motor's sensitivity. I recommend you to leave this counter on because it will allow the machine to adjust suctions automatically. The counter is reset after each cleaning session when I place the vacuum on each charging dock. Apart from showing the particle grab, you can also press the button underneath to switch between 3 power modes. The boost mode should only be used for intensive spot cleaning because the battery would drain out quickly in about 12 or 15 minutes. If you clean in auto mode, the battery could last approximately 30 minutes, and that's more than enough for cleaning my house. I use the 2 floor cleaner heads a lot, but I also use the hair screw tool regularly to clean my mattress or sofa. This tool is redesigned to spiral hair off and into the dustbin instead of being stuck around the brush bar. This is a great idea because it requires less maintenance during usage. I've used this head for a few weeks and haven't seen any hair on the conical brush bar. However, the tool makes very loud noise when the base plate is wide open. In this position, the brush bar hits the plastic head cover and creates this noise. When I use this tool, I always need to make sure that the base plate is in the closed down position. Otherwise, the brush bar or the head cover could be damaged. Another downside of the V15 is that it still doesn't have a trigger lock. That means I still need to hold the trigger for 20 or 30 minutes when cleaning my house. Considering the fact that the vacuum body weighs about 5 pounds, it's not so comfortable holding it and the trigger at the same time, especially when I clean the ceiling or furniture. The suction power of the V15 is drastically improved, and I can easily see the difference when cleaning carpets. The maximum suction power increased by more than 20%, from 180 air watts to 230 air watts. To give you a perspective, the Tineco Pure 1 S12 Plus has the same retail price as the Dyson V15, but its suction power maxed out at 140 watts. What I love the most about Dyson vacuums is that the suction power doesn't fade when dust level is rising in the bin. Therefore, the Dyson V15 is actually not expensive at all in the market of high-end cordless vacuums because we receive much more features and power. Similar to previous products, the Dyson V15 packs a 5-stage filtration that can capture 99.99% of dust particles as small as 0.3 microns. So they always output clean air into our rooms. Moreover, we don't have to replace the filter. You will just need to wash the filters once every month and put it back to the machine when it's completely dry. To conclude, let's check out all pros and cons of the Dyson V15. Pros: great battery life. Redesigned high torque cleaner head and hair screw tool to avoid tangling. The best suction power on cordless vacuum. Suction power is adjusted automatically, showing particle size and counts in real time. Cons: the laser cleaner head is not as useful as expected. Noisy hair screw tool. Overall, the Dyson V15 is undoubtedly the best cordless stick vacuum that we can buy this year. It has the same original retail price of $699 as the V11, but features and power are brought to the next level. If you already have the Dyson V11, the upgrade is probably not worthwhile, because the V11 is still a very strong vacuum cleaner. You also shouldn't upgrade just for the new laser light, because it's not really useful. Otherwise, if you have an older vacuum and need better performance on carpet, we highly recommend the new Dyson V15 Detect